The cold rain stirred them up.
Something stirred them up, Jack. It's a beautiful thing. Tough little Jack. Jack. Tough little Jacks, Jack.
Gotcha. The buggers pull hard.
Oh yeah. Especially when they're fresh like this. Especially the lake. Full of funk. I'm putting pressure on it too. It really come up.
That's the way when that one reach-out on up above did the same thing. It bulldogged like that.
Look at it. Look at that boy going, and I'm putting pressure on it.
Nothing like a cold rain and hot fishing.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. There's just no quick these guys. So Jack, your community net?
You got it.
I think I know how to do this. I've done it before. I do have a net in the truck, Jack.
Yeah, I've heard that rumor.
I'm wearing yours out first.
Double.
Yep.
Now see, that's been the average fish today. About 4 pounds.
Yep, they're
And
beautiful.
just gorgeous.
They are beautiful.
Maybe a little even more than 4. Maybe 5. What do you think?
Beautiful silver from the lake.
My wife.
Oh, you got your phone on there, or is that Regis?
That's Regis.
Hold on, Jack. You're gonna hit right in the head. That hawk. I'd hit you right in the head.
I saw him.
Did you hear the wind going by you?
No, he got past me. Watch that tree. They're dandy fish.
Oh, they're beautiful. Absolutely. Absolutely beautiful. And tough.
Now what you just did there, that reminds me of those guys that do that jig and egg sack thing. Well, they'll throw a quartering cast.
Mm-hmm. They're like that.
Yep. Pop it off the bottom a couple of times.
I don't know, make it react. This will be good. It'll be between you and I.
You give them a swim over here, I'll net them. It's going to make you take them off. Nice. What do you think? You're the Steelhead Whisperer. Well, isn't that great when they do that for you?
What's that?
Let you fool them like that?
Yeah, he's nice and behaved.
Man, you got the barb clipped on that.
No, usually I do. I didn't have it wrapped.
Beautiful.